Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. I'm Robbie.
And I'm Lee, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the Basil Butterfly.
Let's get into it. All right, folks, that's how you make the Basil Butterfly. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Lee, this drink is so well balanced, so perfect. Tell me about everything. The shrub first.
Yeah, so shrub's super cool. It's basically a syrup with fruit that has a base of apple cider vinegar. In this case, we use grapefruit.
All right, and then you obviously use our Basil Rum, which is flipping phenomenal.
Awesome. World's first.
Nice. Cheers to that. God, this drink is awesome. A little club soda, grapefruit really just works with rum cocktails.
And I infused our ice with Butterfly Pea Blossom, which changes color whenever you add acidity. So grapefruit and the alcohol in there helps all that change color, so you get that nice two-tone there.
Only on our Mixology channel do you get a magic trick and a cocktail at the same time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to where to buy our products and our website. Thank you so much, Lee.
Yeah.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.